Today is the 5th day before Christmas, and we're going to be making some red velvet cupcakes. It's been a while since I got requested to make some red velvet cupcakes, and I thought, why not share a recipe with you during our 12 days of baked goods. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these cupcakes. Start by creaming your butter and sugar together. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. And then add 1 egg at a time and mix this well. You're going to want to keep combining your egg into your sugar mixture until it's light and fluffy. Add in your second egg and mix this well again. And that's right, get your spatula to scrape your bowl. Place that aside and we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So get your cocoa powder, your baking soda, and your salt, and then whisk that all together. Add in 1/3 of it to your mixture and combine it. Once that's well combined, scrape your bowl down again. And then add your vinegar and your vanilla extract and your oil and combine this all well. Just keep mixing until it's all incorporated. Then add half of the remaining flour mixture and combine this all well. Grab your spatula to get any dry ingredients from your bowl and incorporate it all well. Then add in your buttermilk and mix this well. Combine until well incorporated. Then add the remainder of your flour and combine this all well for about 5 minutes or until everything is well incorporated. Scrape your bowl with your spatula. And then we're going to add some red food coloring to this to give it that red velvet look. I used about 1 teaspoon to 2 of my food gel color. Once all the food gel is well combined, we're going to start scooping it. You can also set your oven to 350 degrees now. Don't forget to scrape your bowl. And I do also recommend adding some chocolate chip chunks. So then here I'm going to be using my ice cream scoop to scoop out these cupcakes. Just a little over halfway full. Once scooped, I'll bake them for 18 to 20 minutes. You can always check with the skewer. Here I'll be using a circle tip to pipe out the frosting. Just slowly pipe out above the cupcake. Don't stick it too close to it. And then I'm adding these sprinkles for decoration. And here's those red velvet cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this red velvet cupcake recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of all the baked goods I create, I do post on Instagram at BakerGirlSteph. If you enjoy my recipes, hit the subscribe button as well. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.